welcome back to Trubo Legacy. Here we don't just talk about cars. We decode what actually matters before you spend your money. Performance, luxury, ownership, reality, and the truth behind the hype. Today's car is special, controversial, and extremely fast. The all-new 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid in white is set to launch next month right here in the United States. And this is not just a refresh. It's Tesla doubling down on luxury performance. Some people say it's the future of sedans. Others say it's overkill. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side you're on. Here's the wild part. This luxury sedan can embarrass supercars, carry your family in silence, and still look clean enough to pull up at a 5-star hotel. But there's one thing about the Model S Plaid most people won't tell you, and it might decide whether you should buy it or walk away. Exterior presence. In white, the 2026 Model S Plaid looks sharper, wider, and more confident than before. The refreshed front fascia is smoother, more aggressive, and designed for aerodynamics rather than drama. From the side, it still has that low, coupe-like silhouette that makes it look fast even when parked. On the road, this car doesn't scream for attention. It dominates quietly. One clear pro: the clean white paint highlights Tesla's minimalist design and hides dirt better than darker colors. One con: if you want loud luxury styling, this design may feel too subtle. Interior reality. Step inside, and the focus is calm, space, and control. The cabin feels more premium now, with improved materials, tighter build quality, and better seat comfort for long drives. The seating position is low and sporty, but still comfortable for daily use. Touchpoints like the steering wheel, armrests, and center console feel more refined than earlier versions. The truth is, this interior isn't about flash. It's about living with the car every day without feeling tired of it. Tech that matters. The massive central touchscreen still runs the show, but what matters is speed and simplicity. Navigation is smooth, voice commands actually work, and over-the-air updates keep the car feeling new. You get real-world useful tech like advanced driver assistance, smart climate control, and seamless phone integration, not pointless gimmicks just for show. Safety explained. Tesla continues to lead in safety, and the Model S Plaid is built like a protective shell around you. High safety ratings translate into real-world confidence. Whether it's highway driving, city traffic, or sudden braking situations, this is a car designed not just to be fast, but to keep you safe while doing it. Engine and performance. Let's talk performance, because this is where the Plaid name earns respect. Instant electric torque means city driving feels effortless, smooth, and shockingly quick. On the highway, press the accelerator and the car pulls hard without drama. Without noise, just pure acceleration. There's no engine sound, only speed. And that silence makes the acceleration feel even more unreal. Driving feel. The steering is sharp and precise, giving you confidence at high speeds. The suspension balances comfort and control, soaking up rough roads while staying planted during aggressive driving. Braking feels strong and reassuring, necessary when a sedan moves this fast. Overall, the driving emotion is controlled power, not chaos. Ownership reality. This is still an electric luxury sedan, so fuel costs are low compared to gas rivals. Maintenance is simpler, but expectations should be realistic. This is premium tech, not a budget car. Charging access and driving habits will play a big role in your ownership experience. You should buy the 2026 Tesla Model S Plaid if you want extreme performance, clean luxury, and cutting-edge technology in one package. You should not buy it if you want loud styling, traditional engine sound, or old-school luxury feel. This car isn't trying to please everyone. It's built for people who understand where the future is going. And that hidden truth I mentioned earlier? The Model S Plaid doesn't replace supercars. It replaces your idea of what a sedan can be. This is Trubo Legacy, where speed meets reality.